position is a software engineer.
Hi, I'm Ongsini and you can call me Eva. I'm also graduate since last year 2022 and my course is Bachelor of Science with honor in IT. And currently my position is software engineer.
Hi everyone, my name is Anisha Fika. You can call me Anis. I took a Bachelor of Degree in Science Economics with honors at UUM. And I graduated last year, 2022, and my current position in Finexus is Operation Executive.
Hi everyone, my name is Jin Yuan. I'm working as a software engineer at Finexus. So my degree is Bachelor of Science with honors in IT. I graduated last year, 2022.
Hi, I'm Hani. Currently I'm working with Finexus as a Talent Acquisition Officer and I'm graduate from UUM with a Bachelor of Science with Industrial Statistics that I graduated in year 2020.
Hi, I'm Rachel and I'm currently working as a QA analyst in Finexus and I'm graduate in 2022 by taking Bachelor of Science with honors Information Technology.
So what that attracts you in Finexus is the people, the surrounding and the culture here are very nice. It makes me feel comfortable and energetic when I work in here.
What attracts me working with the Finexus is provide a good environment and also safest surrounding, and it's very convenient with the public transport, and also my house is very nearby with the office, so it's not a burden for me to go to the work. And also it's my supervisor is very supportive me, and also my colleague also, we work together to achieve any our daily tasks that we did.
Okay, actually there are two things in here that attract me working in Finexus. And one is for the working environment and the second is the people. As I can say, all the people in here is very thinking positive and very aggressive and very helpful to me. And I won't be feel shy when every time I'm facing the problem. I won't be feel shy to asking them for help. So as I can say, this working environment is very friendly to the fresh graduate.
Okay, my job scope is, as you know, I am a talent acquisition officer, so I'm a recruiter. So mostly for the position, IT position, non-IT position, and also intern. Okay, so every part of position that you recruit for people, you need to understand what kind of job description so that you can recruit the right person to fit into the position. So if let's say, like non-IT position, like accountant, executive. So by referring to the requirement from the hiring manager that they need to be someone that has a qualification like SCCA, something like that, so that we can fit in, find the candidate suitable for that position, and also what I have learned during my recruitment. Okay, so you can understand the way the communication, the way we talk to them, the way they want to learn, the way they want to be fit into the position. So by referring to the resume, we can notice the behavior of the candidate, so that we can do our in terms of the skill, our communication skill, and also the way we talk to them. Okay, that's the best to be a recruiter.
So the job scope that I got for position Operation Executive is chargeback. So I was exposed with this chargeback, and I know that it is very a new thing and a new knowledge for me, especially I am an economics student majoring in accounting. So for another job scope that I got is to, and I have the exposure in Visa and Mastercard and also UnionPay system to make sure the disputes that I receive as the role of acquirer and the issuer. So I like the most in chargeback is I need to investigate the cases daily, and I need to report it to my manager, and we will do some discussion about it. So I think it's very interesting to have every chargeback cases that I got every day.
My job scope as a software engineer is that I'm working in the paymaster team, which will be handling the payment gateway for merchants, such as the card payments, the FX payment, QR payments, and we also have provide the universal payment page payments. What I love about my job is that I'm able to learn the business logic of payment gateways that I'm not able to obtain during my university time. Other than that, I'm also able to experience the deployments of the project that we are required to attend during midnight, because this will interrupt the flow of finance.
As a software engineer, my job scope is in this company is involving in the API team. So mainly it's about creating the new API and enhance the existing API. So normally it's also same like normal software engineer, we doing the debugging and the problem solving, and also the solve the issue that facing on the DB, UAT or production. The best thing for my job is I think I can explore the new stuff for the programming and those things, because I'm creating the new API, so I can learn anything. And another thing is I can always learn the problem solving and the critical thinking.
As a QA, my job scope is to create the test case before we start to perform the testing, and then capture the test result during we perform the testing, and also prepare the test result report after we end all the testing. And actually, there are two ways to perform the testing. First is we perform the testing by using our own simulator, and the second way is we perform the testing with the end user. So sometimes we also need to coordinate some testing activity with the end user and the developer, so that we can confirm that the test result we get during perform testing is as expected. So I like the best part in my job is I'm able to find some interesting or some wired bugs or error during I perform the testing, so that I can like transfer that error or bugs to the developer, and we can dig together to solve it. And during this process of step, I also able to increase my own logical thinking because it's a way to solve the bug.
We are from UUM, Ilmu Budi Bakti with Finexus.